I wanna be in your light until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side.
Let me tell you about the Casey I know. When we were younger, we were always reckless when it came to school and when it came to everything. But at some point in Casey's life, something in his mind just clicked.
Lamide graduated college when she was 21. And as soon as you graduated, you took care of my son. And you never complained about it. You took him.
I had a dream of a ship that we sailed in the night.
Whenever I think about what a man should be, I think about Casey.
I am happy that Casey found someone who loves him and that he has someone he loves.
In the cool, cool light, they whispered to me, take it all. Ooh, the fortune said, flowers bloom with no regret.
I, Mr. Casey Chinonso Ohakam, take you, Miss Rachel Olamide Mustafa, to wed as my wife.
I, Miss Rachel Olamide Mustafa, take you, Mr. Casey Chinonso Ohakam, as my husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, till death do us part.
Back then, for Barika, me and my chica, they chill with the Zakpa. I'm Bukata, but for the matter, Eruku, gone for the Zanga. Now the music, now you give me liberty, oh. Call it freedom, and I go chop until the kingdom come. I do bele do mare, I do follow Uopa. Now you give me the package, so make nobody come de buga. When I do titi kati, then they dancing, then they josie. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.